in south-central Wisconsin, western Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin until 7:45 p.m. At 7:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Beloit, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour.
That looks like the one, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry to interrupt the EAS broadcast services, but that looks like the severe thunderstorm that will hit Wisconsin, or my area, the Milwaukee area, Waukesha County area, tonight. That looks like what it will be. Beloit is down here. Janesville, track northeast. If it's moving northeast, that's where it's going to hit. Hopefully. We can only hope.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.